In 2025, Norway continues to rank among the top dream destinations for skilled professionals worldwide, and it's easy to see why. From its iconic fjords and world-class public services to a thriving economy and progressive work-life balance, Norway offers more than just a job. It promises a lifestyle transformation. For thousands seeking better opportunities, stability, and a deep connection with nature, Norway stands as a beacon of hope and potential. But here's the catch. While the opportunities are real, the immigration process can seem like a maze, confusing, bureaucratic, and time-consuming. That's where this video comes in. We've created the ultimate step-by-step guide to help you understand and successfully apply for the Skilled Worker Residence Permit, Norway's official work visa, tailored for foreign professionals. Whether you're an IT expert, engineer, healthcare worker, or skilled tradesperson, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know, from eligibility and documentation to insider tips that can save you time and frustration. But before we dive in, like this video, and if you're new here, subscribe for more insightful content like this, and leave a comment saying, "I subscribed," so we can welcome you personally. If you're serious about building a future in Norway, working in a dynamic, inclusive society while enjoying one of the highest living standards in the world, then don't miss this. Let's break it down together, clearly, practically, and with total honesty. Visa type and who can apply. If you're aiming to work legally in Norway as a foreign professional, the visa you're looking for is officially known as the Residence Permit for Work, commonly referred to as the Skilled Worker Visa. This isn't your average work permit. It's tailored for individuals with in-demand skills, formal education, or substantial experience in specialized fields. To qualify for this visa, you must meet the following core criteria: a full-time job offer from a registered Norwegian employer. Part-time or freelance gigs won't qualify. A salary that meets or exceeds Norway's legal minimum wage requirement for skilled workers. Relevant education, such as a university degree, trade certification, or vocational training, or substantial proven work experience directly related to the job. You must be 18 years or older. A clean police record. Norway takes safety, trust, and transparency seriously. Note, meeting these criteria doesn't guarantee approval, but it puts you on solid ground. This permit is highly respected and only granted to applicants who meet Norway's high professional and ethical standards. Documents you'll need. One of the top reasons applications get delayed or outright rejected is due to missing, inaccurate, or poorly organized paperwork. Don't let that happen to you. Here's a checklist of essential documents you'll need to prepare. Valid passport. Ensure it's not expiring soon. Norway requires a passport that's valid for the duration of your stay. Signed job offer letter. This must come from your future Norwegian employer and include job details like position, salary, working hours, and duration. Educational certificates, diplomas, degrees, or training certifications relevant to your field. Proof of work experience. Letters or documentation from previous employers outlining your roles and duration. Updated CV/resume. Include clear timelines, skills, and achievements. Passport-sized photograph. Recent and in line with official photo guidelines. Police clearance certificate. Issued by your home country and translated into English or Norwegian. Important tip: all documents must be either in English or Norwegian, and they must be current, authentic, and professionally translated if originally in another language. The way you present your documents tells immigration officers a lot about your seriousness and professionalism, so make it count. How to apply. Step-by-step UDI process, made simple. Feeling overwhelmed by the application process? Don't worry. Applying for the skilled worker visa in Norway is much easier when you follow the right steps in the right order. Here's your clear, step-by-step roadmap. Visit the official UDI website. Start by heading to UDI.no, the official website of the Norwegian Directorate of Immigration. Create an account and fill out the application form. Register for a personal user account. Once logged in, choose the residence permit for work, skilled worker application, and fill out all the required fields carefully. Pay the visa application fee. As of 2025, the processing fee is approximately 6,300 Norwegian kroner, around $600. Payments are made online via secure methods. Book a biometrics appointment. After submitting the form, book an appointment with the nearest VFS Global Center in your home country. This is where your biometric data, photo and fingerprints, will be taken. Attend your appointment and submit documents. On the day of your appointment, bring all your required documents neatly organized. Your biometrics will be captured, and your paperwork will be reviewed for submission to UDI. Processing time. Typically, you can expect to wait 1 to 3 months, depending on your country of application, how complete your documents are, and how busy the immigration offices are. Top in-demand jobs in Norway, 2025 Outlook. Now let's talk about opportunity. If you're wondering which professions have the highest chances of visa approval and job offers, this section is for you. Here are the most in-demand job sectors in Norway for 2025. IT and software development back-end developers, cybersecurity experts, cloud engineers, and AI specialists are in high demand as Norway expands its tech infrastructure. Engineering fields, mechanical, civil, structural, and electrical engineers are crucial for Norway's growing industries and green energy projects. Healthcare professionals. Nurses, physiotherapists, caregivers, and aged care staff are urgently needed due to an aging population and healthcare reforms. Construction and skilled trades electricians, plumbers, welders, and carpenters are heavily sought after for both urban development and rural infrastructure projects. Hospitality and culinary workers. Chefs, baristas, waiters, and hotel staff are welcomed with open arms, especially in tourist-heavy regions like Bergen and Tromsø. Pro tip: if your skills match any of these roles, you're already a step ahead. Norway isn't just passively accepting workers, they're actively recruiting skilled talent like you. Where to find jobs in Norway? Before you can even think about applying for a Norwegian work visa, you need something absolutely essential: a legitimate job offer from a Norwegian employer. But where do you even begin the search? Fortunately, Norway has some excellent job portals, and knowing how to navigate them gives you a strong head start. Here are the top 3 platforms every skilled worker should explore. Nav.no. This is Norway's official labor and welfare website, backed by the government. It's ideal for job seekers looking for verified employers and positions in both public and private sectors. Think of it as your most reliable and secure option for authentic job listings. Finn.no. As Norway's largest and most popular job portal, Finn.no is your go-to for a wide variety of listings, from startups and tech firms to hospitality and trade jobs. It's frequently updated and offers roles across multiple industries and experience levels. Jobnorge.no. Perfect for those seeking academic, research, and government-related positions. This portal connects applicants with universities, institutions, and government bodies. If your background lies in education or research, this is where your opportunities begin. Pro tip: when applying, don't just send a generic resume. Always tailor your CV to each specific job posting, emphasizing the skills and experiences that align with the position. And when writing your cover letter, keep in mind that Norwegian employers value humility, honesty, and directness. A short, clear, and sincere message is more effective than an exaggerated pitch. Expert tips to skyrocket your chances of success. In today's competitive job market, simply meeting the basic visa requirements isn't enough. If you really want to stand out from hundreds of international applicants, you need to think smarter, act faster, and present yourself better. Here are proven strategies that can dramatically boost your chances of landing the job, and ultimately, the visa. learn basic Norwegian, A1 level. While not mandatory for most jobs, having a beginner-level grasp of the Norwegian language shows initiative and respect for the local culture. Even simple greetings or understanding basic workplace phrases can leave a lasting impression on employers and recruiters. Apply broadly, not just once. Don't wait around for one company to respond. Instead, apply to multiple positions simultaneously, targeting roles that fit your skills across various companies. The broader your reach, the higher your odds of landing an interview. Be active on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is more than a resume, it's your personal brand. Regularly post updates, comment on relevant topics, share your expertise, and connect with professionals in your industry, especially those based in Norway. Many recruiters use LinkedIn as a first step in candidate discovery. Understand Norwegian work culture. Norwegian interviews are known for being low pressure, modest, and conversational. Flashy presentations may work elsewhere, but in Norway, it's better to come across as confident, yet humble, collaborative, and grounded. Research the company, understand their values, and prepare accordingly. Stay organized digitally. Before you begin applying, create a dedicated digital folder that contains scanned copies of all your essential documents, your passport, CV, job references, degrees, certifications, and more. Having these files clean, clearly labeled, and ready to send immediately can make all the difference in fast-paced hiring processes. Final thoughts. Could Norway be the next chapter of your life? So here's the million-kroner question. Is Norway the right move for you in 2025? If you're a skilled professional seeking more than just a paycheck, if you crave stability, a healthy work-life balance, clean air, and a society that truly values human well-being over corporate burnout, then the answer is a resounding yes. Norway isn't just a place on the map. It's a lifestyle. It's a mindset. And most importantly, it's a real opportunity for those who come prepared. With the 2025 skilled worker visa process now clearer and more accessible than ever, the path is wide open, but only for those ready to walk it with intention. And now that you've got this comprehensive guide in your hands, you don't just have a dream, you have a roadmap. So, what are you waiting for? Your future in Norway might be closer than you think. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below with your country and profession. Our team reads every single one, and we're here to support your journey. And remember, we're not stopping here. Stay tuned for more content covering visa pathways, relocation tips, job market updates, and everything you need to thrive as a global professional. Until then, lykke til, my friend. That's Norwegian for good luck. And you're going to need just a little, because now you're equipped with everything else.